Okay, so here I'm going to show how to use the function of the return to start point navigation function. So we go to the workout first. Workout, and then I choose the hiking. So you need to wait for the watch to detect the GPS. Currently it's in green, so wait it to turn into a green color. It will take a few seconds if you are outdoor. Currently I'm inside the house, so it will take a longer time. So the GPS will be faster if you are outdoor. So I try to go to balcony first. So it's a lot faster Just now I went to my condo balcony, so within a few seconds it already turned to green color, so it means it detected GPS already. So you can press the select button here, so it will start now. It will measure your workout duration, your heart rate, your distance, your elevation, screen dot. So this one is to prevent you mistouch the screen, and then it stop so it's a lock auto lock. So press the button. So you press the button, it got a few functions. You can resume, finish, or assistant. So if you want to use the navigation, okay, choose the navigation. You press this back to start point. Back to start point, it will guide you to return to your starting point. So it's impossible to be straight right return because you are hiking inside the jungle, so there won't be straight line for you to return. So you use this function track back. Okay, so because I didn't move anything, I'm inside my condo, so this is it. Okay, I will show you again. You press the select button again, right? You can use the up, down. This one is a plus and minus. Plus is to zoom into the map, and minus is to zoom out. So you press select again, you can move up, move the navigation to up and move to down. Then press select again, you can move to left and move to right. So you can scroll up again. If you continue to track your workout duration, even though you are still in the navigation. So for it to stop, I long press the back. Oh, sorry. You see the red color here. It's still in the navigation mode so I return back. Go to workout. Okay, come back to this menu and press select. So for it to finish. So actually this demo okay. So today I'm going to try to test the Amazfit smartwatch function by using its return to start. So now I'm going to start. Okay, this is a phone. So it's quite hard to record using. So this turn to GPS turn to green, so we can start now. So we press select. Okay, so we start now. So this hiking inside the Bukit Kasim or Kasim Hill in Petani Jaya, Slang. Okay, show the statistic now. I have walked for 10 minutes inside the mountain. Okay, so I have walked about 70 minutes, so I'm going to start the return to start point function. So times 2, it will be half an hour for my today hiking. So I have enabled the return to start point function. Sorry because just now I didn't press the record. So but I'm now trying to use back the. Later I will show how to use the return to start point function. Okay. So if you come back at the crossroad, you are not sure which way to follow. So we try to look back at the watch. The watch show left so we follow left, but actually I also remember I followed this route. So we will take the video again in the next junction. So we come back to another junction again. So we see the navigation. Okay, just now the junction we follow is correct, and the arrow still point to left hand side. So we will follow this route. So I think you also need to use your compass in your handphone to double check the direction to ensure the north direction. So north, okay, north direction. So here's north now. Then we will use our smartwatch to check back the direction. Okay, so just now show this is the north direction. We need to check back the north direction on the smartwatch. Okay, then I think our route is correct now, pointing to the right track. So other than rewrite on the smartwatch and the compass, sometimes you need to remember some landmark you have passed through. So just now I have passed through this tree. I bend beneath it to walk through, so it's correct. I'm on the right track back to the start point. So we have come to a junction again. So I have checked just now already. North is pointing this way, so I'm going to check my watch again. North. So north is right. So I think for using the track shall be right. A bit confused also. But actually you see the truck is track back to start point. It's not going to tell you turn left or turn right. You need to self-measure. Okay. So I decide to follow right, even though I'm not so confident because of this navigation seems not so precise. The track show. So this come to a junction again, but actually I know where I shall walk because I didn't go up just now, so I just walk on the. So we follow back the north direction. It shall be a straight line. I think it shall be follow right also. So for every junction you need to use your smartphone to check where's the north direction. Use your smartphone compass, and then you compare back the north same direction. So from here it shows we shall follow right. So this is another landmark. Okay, this is another landmark near the entrance. So this shows I have to follow the correct track route to back to the entrance. So I managed to go back to the start point using this smartwatch and smartphone. You need a smartwatch to use this compass. So this one I'm away from the entrance, which is my start point. So it shows I'm away from my trees actually, because just now I didn't stop. The function return to start. So it will alert you if you are away from your track or route. So I think it's good function to alert you are away from your route. So I will end the testing of the return to start point today. So there are a few functions. You press the select. First it will show plus and minus, which is zoom in and zoom out. This show today my total work on. I will press select to stop it. So this shows today my route 1.77 km heart rate. Okay, roughly gives the reading today.